What if I told you, in just 90 days, you could completely rebuild your life? Not improve it, not feel better, not try again. Rebuild it from scratch. Because right now, you don't need motivation. You need a reset, a full system shutdown, and a new operating system. The truth is, your life didn't fall apart overnight. It happened slowly. Missed opportunities, bad habits, distractions, comfort. Until one day you wake up and you don't recognize yourself anymore. And the scariest part? Nobody is coming to fix it. Not your friends, not your family, not luck. The person who saves you has to be you. But here's the good news. You don't need a year. You don't need to wait for January. You need 90 days of focus. The truth about why you're stuck. You're not stuck because you're lazy. You're stuck because your system is broken. Your environment, your habits, your mindset, they're all working against you. You wake up tired. You scroll instead of acting. You delay instead of deciding. And slowly, your confidence disappears. But here's the shift. You don't fix your life by motivation. You fix it by building a system that forces change. Because right now, you're not just off track. You're distracted. You're tired. And you're stuck. Distracted by things that don't even matter. Endless scrolling, constant noise, dopamine on demand, pulling you further and further away from the life you said you wanted. Tired, not just physically, but mentally. Drained from overthinking, from starting and stopping, from carrying the weight of knowing you could be doing more, but not doing it, and stuck in the same patterns, the same routines, the same excuses. Telling yourself, I'll start tomorrow, over and over and over again. And the worst part? You're aware of it. You see it happening. You feel the frustration. But somehow, nothing changes. You don't want better, but because your environment is designed to keep you exactly where you are. Comfortable, distracted, numb. And until you break that cycle, nothing in your life will move forward. The 90-day rule. 90 days is powerful for one reason. It's long enough to transform, but short enough to commit. So here's the rule. For the next 90 days, your life has only 3 priorities: your body, your mind, your direction. That's it. Everything else? Optional. Phase 1. Rebuild your body. You don't rebuild your life in your head. You rebuild it through action. And it starts with your body. Because when your body is weak, your discipline is weak. For 90 days, move every single day, even when you don't feel like it. Train your body to obey you, not your emotions. Action steps. Walk 20 to 30 minutes daily. Drink water first thing. Fix sleep schedule. Basic workouts, no gym required. Phase 2. Rebuild your mind. Your mind is currently programmed by noise, social media, negativity, comparison. So we reset it. For 90 days, you become extremely selective about what enters your mind, because your thoughts become your actions. Action steps. Limit social media. Daily silence, 10 to 15 minutes. Read or listen to growth content. Journal daily. Phase 3. Rebuild your direction. Most people aren't lost. They're distracted. You don't need 10 goals. You need one direction. one focus, one thing you move forward daily. For 90 days, you show up, whether you feel ready or not. Action steps. Choose one goal. Work on it daily, non-negotiable. Track progress. Eliminate distractions. 90 days from now, you will either be in the same place or a completely different life. And the difference? What you decide. Today. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Today. So here's your challenge. Start your 90 days. No excuses. No waiting. No perfect moment. Because the life you want is on the other side of discipline. But here's what nobody tells you. Discipline doesn't feel powerful in the beginning. It feels uncomfortable. It feels boring. It feels lonely. It feels like waking up early when nobody is watching. It feels like saying no when everyone else is saying yes. It feels like showing up when you don't feel ready. And that's why most people quit. Not because they can't change, but because they don't stay long enough to see the change happen. The first 10 days, you'll doubt yourself. You'll feel like nothing is working. You'll question why you even started. Around day 30, you'll feel the resistance. Old habits will call you back. Comfort will try to pull you in, and it will sound convincing. But if you push past that, around day 60, something shifts. Your mind gets quieter. Your focus gets sharper. Your confidence starts coming back. And by day 90, you won't recognize yourself anymore. Not because everything is perfect, but because you are different, stronger, clearer, disciplined. And here's the truth. This isn't about 90 days. This is about proving something to yourself. That you can start and actually finish. That you can make a promise and keep it. That you are not stuck. You were just waiting. Waiting for the right time. Waiting for motivation. Waiting for someone to save you. But now you know. Nobody is coming. And that's not sad. That's power. Because it means you're in control now. You decide who you become. You decide what your life looks like. So when this video ends, don't go back to scrolling. Don't go back to old habits. Don't go back to the version of you that you're trying to escape. Take a breath and make a decision. Day 1 starts now. Not tomorrow morning, not next week, right now. And if you stay consistent, if you show up, if you don't quit on yourself this time, 90 days from now, you won't need motivation videos anymore, because you'll be living the life you once wished for. This is your moment. Don't waste it. Because moments like this, they don't come often. Most people feel this spark, this pull to change, and then they ignore it. They go back to scrolling, back to comfort, back to the same life they complain about. And slowly, that feeling disappears. Not because they weren't capable, but because they didn't act when it mattered most. But you're still here. You watched this far, which means something in you is ready. Ready to stop repeating the same year over and over again. Ready to finally take control. So don't let this be another video you watch, feel inspired, and forget by tomorrow. Let this be the one where everything changes. Where you draw the line. Where you say, enough. Enough excuses, enough waiting, enough starting over. This time, you finish. This time, you become who you said you would be. And 90 days from now, when you look back at this moment, you'll either remember it as the day you changed your life or the day you let it slip. Choose wisely.